Our products are used in a wide range of applications and industries, which include, but not limited to, automotive interiors, medical equipment, outdoor marine products, indoor furniture, hospitality, electronics, and children's products. This extensive and varied use of our products is possible because of the many qualities silicone and silicone-coated textiles possess that make them so durable. Silicone leathers are stain-resistant, flame-retardant, hydrolysis-resistant, waterproof, UV-resistant, and have high abrasion resistance and excellent color fastness. Our products contain ultra-low volatile organic compound VOC levels and do not contain plasticizers, heavy metals, or phthalates. Our production process is also solvent-free, and our product complies with REACH and Okotex Standard 100 material safety standards. We strive to empower our customers by producing outstanding and versatile products with cutting-edge technology. We value anyone with a vision and will do our best to turn our customers' ideas into reality.